Hey everyone, now I'm gonna show you how you can make a cinematic color grade in Photoshop. Here I have my picture, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down here and click on solid color. Okay, I'm gonna pick this color actually, this blue. Alright, and then what you're gonna do is go here and change the blending mode into exclusion. Okay, you can actually tweak with the opacity bar here, so you can check which one is the best one. 30% is good for me. As you can see, you have a cinematic color grade now. Right now this is good, but for me I think I can do it much faster and better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go to window, and we're going to go to actions, and here I have my action already set in. And you can actually just go here and click on load action here, load actions. Okay, just wait for it. I'm actually gonna leave this in the description down below, so you can just download it yourself and just double click on this. I have it already, and what you want to do is you can just hit play and it'll change by itself. You can also check the second one, hit play, the third one as well, fourth one, but for me the best one is the first one, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. And the next step is you can go and look for the cinematic bars. And yeah, that's it for today. Now you got your own cinematic color grade in Photoshop. If you have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.